Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel. This is Rajesh and I'm back with another PC build video. This will be a 1,30,000 build for Ryzen 9 3900X. We are trying to keep the budget as low as possible because everyone doesn't have 2 or 3 lakh rupees of budget. But we are trying to make this PC with a very strong processor and best possible budget components according to that processor. So 1,30,000 is what we have here for this PC build. So let's go ahead and start with the PC component which we're gonna use in this build. All the prices mentioned in this video would be today's price, so do check the link in the description box below for the latest price. So let's begin with the PC components and then we'll assemble the PC and we'll do some benchmark. So let's begin with the PC components. For processor, we have got Ryzen 9 3900X. It has got 12 core and 24 threads, available for 43,000 rupees. For motherboard, we have got MSI X570 Gaming Pro Carbon Wi-Fi. This is available for 24,600. This is a very suitable motherboard for this processor. There are cheaper and expensive motherboard as well, but for this build, we will go with this motherboard. For RAM, we're gonna use G-Skill Ripjaws. This is 8x2 3200 MHz, available for 9,000 rupees. I don't recommend anything below 3200 MHz for this build. In this build, we're gonna use 2 basic SSDs. The first SSD we have is WD 240GB M.2. This is available for 2,340 rupees. This will be our primary SSD for Windows and softwares. For secondary SSD, we have got Kingston A400. This is 480GB, available for 4,150 rupees. For graphic card, we have got RTX 2060 Super Card. This is 8GB variant and this has got RGB fans on the graphic card itself, which other brand doesn't have. It is really attractive looking and nice performing card from Galax. For power supply, we have got Cooler Master MWE 750 watt gold. This is fully modular, available for 7,950 rupees. For cabinet, we have got Cooler Master MV520. This is available for 5,900 rupees. It has got 3 RGB fan in the front, 1 non-RGB fan in the rear, side tempered glass, top ventilation and front 3.0 USB. That is an absolutely wonderful cabinet for just 5,900 rupees. So here's the benchmark from userbenchmark.com, and it says gaming 110%, desktop 87, and workstation 106%. This PC stat is wonderful. Let me check. The processor is performing absolutely outstanding. The GPU is up to the mark and it is performing absolutely fine. For SSD, we cannot expect much because it is for just 2314 basic green SSD, which is an average rating M.2 SSD. For secondary SSD, we have 480 GB as it is performing good. Again, it is not a high-end SSD, and the RAM is 3200 MHz, which is clocked at 3200 MHz. And yeah, that's about the PC stats with the background usage of 7%. And here is a Geekbench single core and multiple core scores. Alright, so we're done with the PC build, and these were a few benchmark tests which was on your screen. I've also kept few motherboard which you can consider because that is available for approx 26,000 rupees, and I have some cheaper option like MSI X570A Pro just for 16,000, the X570 Gaming Plus for approx 17,000, and a similar motherboard which is with Wi-Fi, the X570 Gaming Edge Wi-Fi for approx 20,500. So you can consider this motherboard if in case you have a limited budget. Yes, our budget was also limited, however we want to put a nice best processor and motherboard, hence we have not compromised on that. So yeah, the total bill cost is approx 1,30,000 rupees, and all the product link are mentioned in the description box below. The prices get changes every day, so do check the link in the description box below. If in case you have any questions related to this build or any other builds, you can follow our website and click on contact us page to contact us, or else you can also comment down in YouTube comment section. So that's about the video. Thank you for watching till the end. Stay happy and stay blessed. Bye bye, and I'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe, as it really motivates me to make some more videos for you. Thank you for watching till the end. Bye bye.